Is Acronis crashing because of the Snapapi library DLL? I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows developer. Let's use these professional steps to fix the runtime error. Before starting the detailed Snapapi library fix, check the description for a professional tool to help align your library paths. This is the Snapapi library, the Acronis Snapshot API. It manages the unmanaged localized low-level disk input-output required for localized backup snapshots. It facilitates the data link between the localized file system and the localized backup engine. Let's transition to the solution, starting with the official Microsoft redistributable. This is an OS-level file error that requires a system integrity scan. Open command prompt as an administrator and run sfc/scan now to allow Windows to verify its core files and automatically restore Snapapi library DLL. If a standard reinstallation doesn't restore the library, we need to verify if the system environment is properly recognizing the new components. A standard reboot clears out temporary memory conflicts and gives the Windows loader another chance to properly register the Snapapi library component during startup. Before you restart, bookmark this video or hit the like button. It makes it much easier to find this tutorial in your history so you can pick up exactly where we left off. Since the restart didn't reset the service, we'll manually trigger the refresh now. If you need to pause the video anytime during these instructions, go ahead. Since the restart failed to clear the diagnostic error, we'll manually refresh the system counter manifests. First, open command prompt as admin. Second, you're going to type lodc_r, then hit enter. Why are we doing this? Well, performance DLLs rely on accurate registry indexing to function. This step wipes the existing counter registration and forces the system to reconstruct a healthy link to the diagnostic manifests. I want to share a quick best practice that will help you avoid security complications in the future. Ensure your hardware remains stable and your software stays under warranty by avoiding the manual manipulation of high-level library files like Snapapi library DLL. Let's conclude by looking at how a system maintenance utility can help keep your performance optimized and your libraries synchronized. If you're addressing Snapapi library inconsistencies, the official utility below provides maintenance-related documentation. To ensure you always have a professional diagnostic path for Snapapi library or system errors, hit the subscribe button and keep this channel in your toolkit.